When you have a great product, everything else is easy, right? Unfortunately, as managers and entrepreneurs across all industries will tell you, that's not the case. From finding suppliers and distributors to cutting costs and providing excellent customer service, few things are as complex as a successful business. Your product can be excellent, but if you miss a deadline because one of your suppliers had a delayed shipment, there goes your reputation. If your business doesn't control or track every part of your supply chain, you are exposed. How can you provide the right product in the right quantity to the right place and at the right time? After several years in the highly restrictive alcoholic beverages industry, our team understands the challenges of farmers and manufacturers. At Volum, we know what it takes to get past red tape and how to ensure distributors have what they need to deliver on time. Tracking, routing, identification, sourcing. The logistics involved in bringing products to consumers can be deeply complex. With the VLM token, you can trust and verify this data at every step of the process. From startups to multinational corporations, our flexible hybrid platform does all the heavy lifting, saving you precious time and money. By leveraging blockchain and self-executing smart contracts, Volum simplifies supply chain management. To find out how, visit us at volum.io. Volum. Supply chain made simple.